Okay. Oh my gosh.
Oops. Hi, I'm Roselle, and I'm the food editor of Yummy.ph. This is Cooking with Newbies. If you want to make sure that you don't miss an episode, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. On this episode, we are here with a cooking newbie, Nina.
Hi, I'm Nina Javier, and I'm not an expert cook like her. And so I'm here because I want to learn more about cooking, and I'm a fan of Yummy.
On this episode, we are going to make something that is a little bit more Filipino, and it's going to be almost from scratch.
Okay.
I'm
so excited.
We are going to make Kare-Kare.
Perfect. I've never cooked Kare-Kare, and my husband loves that. So, this one's for you.
Oh, this is perfect then.
Yes.
Okay. We can find our recipe on yummy.ph, so it's right here so that you will never miss a single ingredient or procedure. So, do you know what this is?
Yes. That's tualya.
Tualya.
Tama?
Yes, tualya.
This
Tama.
one.
Tualya.
This one.
Eto.
Interesting.
Okay. The traditional Filipino kare-kare is actually made with oxtail.
Okay.
So that's what this is.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Buntot ng baka.
Yan pala yung tree ng buntot.
So we will have to prepare our tualya first. So what we need to do is we need to get rid of the lansa. Kasi di ba yun yung palaging
Reklamo.
Yes,
ng mga
reklamo
tao.
ng mga
Yes.
tao sa tualya. And to
Okay.
do that, we're gonna have to cook it in a little bit of vinegar. So this is a pressure cooker, and it has a whistle. This thing right here is a whistle. So when pressure actually builds in your pressure cooker, it will really steam from this spot. So I want you to put the tualya into our pressure cooker.
Okay.
Yes.
As in, like that lang.
Yes, just add it in. Just need our tualya. Okay, and then now, we need about a tablespoon of vinegar. Yan yung pangpatanggal ng lansa natin.
Ay na.
Yes.
Put it
Yes, add it in. And then what we need to do is we need to add water.
How
So,
much water?
Enough water to cover.
Para lang ano
Yes.
siya. Okay na.
Oh yes, that's pretty good. So you need to turn it
Turn it to...
until it rises
yeah,
up.
yeah. Okay,
But you need to make sure that it's tightly sealed. So we can leave this alone and let it cook until we start hearing the whistle.
Okay.
All right? Okay, so while that's happening, we can do our other ingredients and we can prepare everything else.
Okay.
All right. So first off, we need 1 medium onion. And-
Medium.
Yes.
So I guess ito yung medium.
There we
Tama
go.
ba? Tama ba?
Yes.
May tama ba
Alright.
way ng pag-chop?
Okay, I'm very glad that you tuck in your fingers. Good job. Okay, so you left the root on the end. That's good because when we're going to chop, we basically want it diced.
Okay.
So one way of doing that, so that it's just one slice na lang, we're going to cut horizontally first.
So first here, no?
Yes.
Like that?
Yes.
Is it? Is
Yes.
it the right
Let's go.
height?
Yes, yes. A higher one.
Here, is
Yes.
it enough?
Yep. That's
enough?
fine. Go ahead, slice. And then
Then,
turn it
here.
this way, and then use the tip of the knife. You're just going to make little slices in
Like,
the flesh.
wow! Mga ganyan. Okay
Yes.
yan? That one.
Yes.
Ooh.
Okay. Okay. So turn it again.
Turn it like
Yes. And then now you can slice properly.
Oh,
Yes.
galing.
Slice. And then you'll see it'll be cubes.
Ah.
So one step na lang siya. There you go. We can proceed with our garlic.
Garlic. Okay. How
So
much?
we need 3. According to that, we need 3 pieces of garlic.
Oh, yeah. Okay, wait lang. Tapos,
So yes.
dapat na.
Actually, no, you can use.
This one, this one?
Yes,
Ah,
like that. Yeah.
Nice.
Yes. Whoa.
Ang tibay nung knife. Pwede bang ganyan na lang?
Yes. But can I recommend a safer way of doing that technique? I understand that a lot of people want to do it this way. They use the palm of their hand. But my problem with people using the palm of their hand is because there's a lot of pressure that you're exerting. That's why I say use your fingers to guide it. Okay, so you're just holding it here and then you start chopping. Okay? Alright,
Sige nga.
ready to try it.
Try it.
Yes.
Hold. This.
Yes.
Don't cover your veggies.
Yes. Don't cover your veggies. Don't
Not
cover...
too much pressure.
Yes.
Let the knife do its work.
Wow! I'm so proud, guys!
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna cut up the rest of our vegetables. We have eggplants there.
One.
Yes. What some people do for kare-kare is they slice it for about 3 inches
Okay.
and then they cut it in half.
So this is good na pala.
Yes, it's about
Oh,
half.
ganyan.
Yes. And then what they do is they take that and cut it in half. That's it.
Okay. Alright. Then that's it.
That's it.
What a cube.
It's big. You can cut it in half pa some more.
Can I cut it into 4?
Yes.
Alright.
Alright. Now we need our spice. Alright.
1,
2, 3, 4. Right. Cut off
Okay.
the ends first. Again, tuck in your fingers. Good. Kind of like what I said kanina about the eggplant, mga 3 inches in length.
Alright.
Or even smaller,
Yeah.
if you slice your eggplant smaller. So yeah, we're almost done with our prep. We just have one more big step that we need to do.
This one?
Yes.
Exciting.
Our peanut.
Peanut.
What we're going to use is
Oh, I was looking at that
a
kanina.
big
Ang
mozzarella
laki.
peso.
Ano lang ako, shock. Kasi ngayon ako nakita na gagamit ng ganito kalaki.
Ayan, mga half cup lang kailangan. If you like more peanuts, if you love peanuts, you can add more.
Half cup.
Half cup. I'm just gonna add it in, and this is where grinding comes in.
And
Using
buti na
your
lang,
mozzarella
ano nga
peso.
siya, it's rough.
So, yeah. So what you want to do with the peanuts is grind it until it's more or less almost a paste.
Okay.
How does that look to you? You like it na?
Yeah, I do.
Alright.
Wait. Bubuhatin ko sana. Parang hindi pala pwede. Mabigat. Sige, spoon na lang.
Okay, so this little whistle thing, you're gonna pull it off. Yes. Okay? You can do it.
Ay,
Go ahead. See,
hawakan ko lang.
No, pull it out. That's the pressure.
Okay.
And then now that it's gone, what you can do is turn it around so that this little nozzle
facing
is on
away
the other
from me.
side.
Yeah,
Yes,
okay.
is on the other side, so that when you do open it, your arm isn't over the hole.
Yeah, ang init yan.
Alright, so you can turn
Okay.
it back around so you can remove the lid.
Paikot-ikot pala tayo dito.
Yes. Whoa. So what we can do now is we can check. Uy, malambot na siya. Okay, so now since we're kind of happy with this, we can actually drain it. Okay, all right, there you go.
Bigger na ako, teacher.
Yes. So now we can actually do
The cooking.
part.
Okay.
Okay, so what we want to do first is
Oil.
get our oil. So now we need our espresso. We just need a teaspoon, so you don't need a lot. It's pretty good. All right.
It's so nice.
So as you can see, the color is like a red-orange with a little bit of yellow in there.
Ganda, oh.
You can just scoop it all out because unfortunately, yes,
Oh my gosh,
that's why the
this is
seeds are not edible.
dami-dami itong isuscoop out.
And the first thing we're gonna do is saute our onions.
Onions. Ano ba talaga dapat inuuna? Onions or garlic?
I like to use the onions first.
Ako din! Yay!
Only because yung garlic ang bilis
Maluto!
Maluto.
Yay! Tama ako!
We can add our garlic.
Garlic!
I love garlic. We can add this na.
How many do I put?
Put all of it in.
Really? So much fat! That?
So this is about half a kilo. Are you happy with stirring? Yes. We can now return the tuwalya and add more water to tenderize our oxtail naman.
Okay.
Here is our tuwalya.
Thank you.
can return that.
Wow, biglang mukhang konti na lang compared sa office. Put water again.
With water again.
Oh my gosh!
Oops!
I'm sorry.
It's okay. We can wipe that. What we want to do here is don't cover it yet. We want to bring it to a boil. Why? Because may meat na tayo. Ilalabas na mga impurities, all the scum.
Kailangan tanggalin.
Tanggalin natin yung
Tama.
scum. Alright, so let's wait for this and we'll come back. Okay, as you can see, we now have scum on top. We can turn down our heat a little so you can get at the scum and remove it. We remove the scum just so that clear yung ating sauce, saka yung broth natin. That's pretty good.
Okay na?
Yeah. Okay.
So,
And then here,
whistle.
the whistle, and then lock it again.
Hmm?
And then we'll come back, and then we'll see oxtail that's really tender. And we're back, and it's time to check on our oxtail.
Okay, so turn it off first.
Yes.
Alright.
Okay.
Go. Favorite part ko na to. Sabi nga, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Ah, my galing.
Alright. So, nag-reduce yung tubig
Water,
natin.
yes.
But this is actually quite perfect because we're gonna make it into a sauce. Check your meat as well.
Oh, this one's so... Oh, wow.
Okay, so this is the part where we can add our peanuts.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, our peanuts. Diba what's interesting about kare-kare? There's no salt in it.
Oh, ano, wala pa.
There's no pepper, there's no nothing.
Oh, ano?
Why? Because we have bagoong in this.
Oh, yeah.
So, since we have that, we also have some peanut butter.
Mm.
And usually I say around 3 tablespoons is pretty good. 3 heaping tablespoons, nice and
Okay.
big. We can taste it a little bit later so that you know
Sige,
exactly
three na lang
how much.
muna.
Oh, sige. 3 is good.
Like what you said. 3 muna.
So this is the part where we want to mix it.
Wala na po.
How much do we need to add? 1/4 of a cup of our rice flour. What we want to do is we want to add water to it because if you add rice flour to something that's hot, it will immediately seize up and what you'll get is bilo-bilo.
Oh!
Add
I
it-
put everything na.
Yes.
Tapos we just put the
Yes,
water here.
then we just add water, yes. What we want to do is we want to add around the same amount of water as we
Okay.
did. Yes. And once it's mixed, we can add it bit by bit to see how thick you want your
okay.
kare-kare. Take note, when you add it in, you need to stir immediately as well because your pot is already stirred. You can add in half. And then we want it to come to a boil so you can see exactly how thick it becomes. So now you can see the texture. It's now coating your spoon as compared to kanina.
Like,
Nasabaw
just
lang
falls
siya.
off, yeah.
So, since we've already added that, we can now add
Veggies.
the rest of our veggies and we can cook our veggies now. We have our green beans, our string beans. Konti lang siya because we only added
Yeah.
4. But we have a lot of eggplant and we have a lot of pechay as well.
Pechay.
And then last, our pechay. If you want, you can add this in at the very, very last and wait for the
Yeah,
rest of
kasi
your
madali
veg
siya.
to... Exactly. If you want, you can actually taste this now. Okay,
Okay.
because it has your peanut butter in there. And di ba you said you wanted more peanut butter flavor? Yeah. Deceptively hot.
Matamis nga sana.
Yes, because the peanut butter is the sweet kind. If
Can
you
we
want,
put
you can...
salt?
Yes, we can. Right here.
Kasi yun yung...
To combat the, sweet.
But yun yung parang wala.
Maybe 2 pinches, only because this is rock salt.
Oh,
Oops.
taasan. Yeah. Arte.
At this stage, you can actually turn off your.
Kasi it's hot na naman.
Yes, it's hot na.
Yeah, but...
Our pechay,
Yeah.
once you add it in, once it's still hot, will still cook.
Oh, sige.
All right, happy with this? All right, we can add our pechay. This pechay really cooks very quickly.
I'll leave it na lang muna.
Okay, yes, turn it. Then we can clear out this area so that you can plate. Kare-kare is ready for plating.
Yay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, here we go. You have your bowl here. And then we have, of course, the all-important
Bagoong.
bagoong. All right. What's your favorite part of kare-kare? Out of curiosity. The sauce. Are we gonna put some bagoong on
Yes,
it?
of course.
Okay, we should get some bagoong.
Wow. Sabi ko, knife eh. Hindi kailangan ng knife. Galing. One without bagoong.
One without bagoong, so you can taste all the flavors in there.
What?
Yes.
Namot.
Okay, let's get a bit of this. And I now want a talong. Oh yeah.
Namot, no?
There you go. It's very, very soft.
Wait,
Wow.
I'll just try the pechay.
Ah, the pechay. Go for the pechay.
Perfect.
The
Just how I
crunch
wanted.
pa.
Yeah, the crunch pa.
So, we just made kare-kare. It isn't the easiest one, but we just made it easier because we used the pressure cooker. So you cut down on your time, and we also cut down on a lot of the prep as well. Right? Did you have fun?
Yes.
Yay!
Dami ko natutunan. Thank you, thank you, thank
Do you think you can do this on your own?
Yep.
At home? Fantastic. Thank you so much for watching this episode. And Nina, thank you so much for being on the show.
Thank you also for having me here. I had so much fun.
Right. I'm so glad you were here on the show. And of course, if you want to do recipes just like this one, don't forget to subscribe on Yummy PH on YouTube. And of course, visit our website, yummy.ph, for our best recipes online. Bye!